Do you want to add music to your Instagram profile? You can put a song on your Instagram profile with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to add music to Instagram profile. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. To add music to your Instagram profile. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're in Instagram, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to open your profile page. Now, below your profile picture, you will see various options. Find and tap on Edit Profile below your bio. Now, a new screen will appear where you can edit your name, add a bio, and more. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and look for the music option. Once you find the music option, tap on it. Again, a new screen will appear. From here, tap on Pick a song for your profile under the Profile Songs section. Once you tap, a music library screen will open. You can use the search bar at the top to find a specific song you want to add or browse through the suggested songs. You can search by song title, artist, or genre. Once you find the song you want to add, tap on it. Instagram will then allow you to choose the specific part of the song you want to feature. Drag the slider to select the exact portion. After selecting the song segment, tap the checkmark icon to save your changes. Again, tap the checkmark icon at the top right of the screen. Once added, go back to your profile to check if the music is displayed correctly. The song will be visible under your profile picture in bio. When someone visits your profile, they can tap on the song to listen to the segment you selected.